How to apply for student finance in Netherlands. Step-by-step guide. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to apply for student finance in the Netherlands. 1. Check your eligibility. Nationality. You need to be a Dutch national or from an EU or EEA country. International students may also be eligible under certain conditions. Age requirement. You must be under 30 when you apply for the first time. Type of study. You must be enrolled in a full-time or dual program at a recognized institution. 2. Create a DigiD account. Step. If you don't already have a DigiD, go to www.digid.nl and create one. Link. Verification. You'll need to verify your identity using your BSN or Dutch Citizen Service number. Once your account is created, you will receive an activation code in 3 to 5 days. 3. Log into DUO. Step. Once you have your DigiD, go to the website of DUO, Dienst Uitvoering Onderwijs, the government agency responsible for student finance. Visit DUO's student finance page. Link. Login. Use your DigiD to log in into the DUO portal. 4. Complete your application. Personal details. Fill in your personal information, including your name, address, and BSN. Study information. Provide details about your university or institution and the program you are enrolled in. Loan type. Here's the type of student finance you are applying for: loan, grant, or a combination. You can also apply for a supplementary grant if your household income is below a certain threshold. And before we proceed, in order for you to be featured in one of the iconic spots in Netherlands, the Tulip Fields, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. 5. Submit supporting documents. You may need to upload documents, such as proof of enrollment or residency, depending on your situation. For non-Dutch students, additional documents such as proof of employment may be required to prove eligibility. 6. Receive your decision. After submitting your application, DUO will review your details and send you a decision by email or letter within a few weeks. You can always check your application status through the DUO portal. 7. Payment begins. If approved, the funds will be deposited into your bank account each month, typically around the 24th. Make sure your bank account information is accurate in the DUO system. Repayments for loans will begin after graduation, though there is a grace period of 2 years. Grants do not need to be repaid if you meet certain graduation criteria. 8. Keep information updated. Keep DUO informed about any changes in your personal, financial, or educational situation, as it can affect your student finance. There you have it, future scholars. You've taken your first steps toward making your dreams come true with the power of knowledge and the support of student finance. Remember, every great journey starts with a single step, and you're already on the path to greatness. Keep believing in yourself, because the world is full of opportunities just waiting for you to grab them. As you move forward, remember this quote: "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." Eleanor Roosevelt. So dream big, work hard, and let your passion lead the way. You are capable of more than you can imagine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this guide with others who are ready to unlock their potential. Until next time, stay magical and keep chasing your dreams.